So next one I will go to tuple. You can see here it is already given what it is. Tuple. Tuple is collection which is ordered but unchangeable. We can't change the data. Like in a list, we change the data, we change sorting and all we done, but and also we added data, we removed a data like that, right? So tuple we can't able to change the data. Okay, so here why I'm telling from here, why? Because you to make you understand how to use the tuple. Okay, it's a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Again I'm writing here. So what is a tuple? And example syntax like this one. Okay, the name it can be anything. So you can just two ways why I'm showing like this is for a guideline, so without deviating from the topic. And second one is we can learn things from using different kind of stuff, right? So like that. Okay, here what I do from earlier one, I'm exit and I will also open again. Okay, so now I'm going to define a tuple. So tup1, any name you can put it, but I given it tup1. Here it is round brackets will come, round brackets like this. Within this one you can define it. Okay, so like numbers like that, anything you can define. Like I put a 22, or you can use like a person data. You can put it. Who is there still? Some more people are we didn't use them. Mm, Mayur, we use Mayur. Okay, so Mayur 22. Uh, some area like um, Pune. So if I put enter, what will happen? It throw an error. Why error? Why error? Read the error and tell me.
Pune single quotes or double quotes?
Yeah, Pune not in quotes, either single quote or a double quote. You have to mention it. It's not in quotes. Okay. Hmm. Name Pune is not defined. Name error. Understand errors. Name error. Guys, to learn things, not only learn how to do it. So what is the errors also we should understand. Now we created a tup1. So it is displaying. Also you can use print tup1. Like what is the type of this one? Tup afternoon effect. Okay, so class is so tuple type. Okay, so it's called tuple. So as statement, it is ordered and not changeable. So what is order? Again it is indexed like this. 0. Okay, tup1 like this, it is indexed. Okay, tup1 dot and wait. So only two things are there, count and index only. Where is a remove, where is sort, where is a pop, right? Where is insert, what, where is append? We can't change the data. Okay, so index wise, like 22, Index is 1 0 1 like that. Okay, count is also there. So I'm going to create one more tuple 2. Okay, so here I use all our numbers only. Okay, so I created some tuple. This is a very big one. Okay, same thing. But here, can if it is even a big also, we can't get, only count kind of stuff will come up. So index and count. So I want to count how many times 12 is repeated. 3 times. Okay, tuple is the best one because we don't need to do a lot of exercise kind of stuff. Okay, index of 55 like this. The 5 is index, so it meaning is it's a 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 -10. That is a index. Now, if you want to write in the on a screen also, you can write it like, so. Control C. It is indexed. Okay, it is indexed. But so you have to see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Also, it is like -10. Okay, -9 -8 -7 -6 -5. So -4 -3 -2 -1. So this is a tuple index, or a both side indexing. Okay, so you can query anything in the index. So like here, so I'm going to put it like a tup 2 3 4, just for example, 4 tup -4. Yeah, okay, it is not there.
Sir, will you please explain that of index?
Okay, okay, so this is a entire data, right? So this is the data in tup 2. Tup 2 is a variable, and it contains multiple data in a tuple format. Okay, or a list format, or any other format, like, so it is a data. So the starting one is start with a 0 1 2 3 4 like this. It is depends upon the placement. For a string also there, for example, Vedic soft. So the V is a 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I think it is. So V is a 0, E is 1, D is 2, I is 3, C is 4, S is 5, O is 6, F is 7, and then 8. So what is the meaning of this one? It is each character is indexed from 0 to last one, right? Same thing here, each number is indexed from 0 mm, to till the last number it will go out. In a reverse order. When you are counting from um, right to left, so then you have to start it with a -1 -2 -3 like that. So each index has the corresponding value. It does not mean 2 digits or 3 digit. Anything string value is also comes under that one. For example, tup1 has Mayur 22, Pune is there. Tup1 2 means Pune. Why? Because Mayur is 0, 22 is 1, Pune is 2. So that is the value. The value indicates in the order, in a order. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 like that, indexing value. Minus values are a reverse order. Minus values are in a reverse. -1, -2, -3. You have to count it. Okay, like this. First we have to understand what value, index value of this one, and the reverse index value of these things. We have to put it. Then based on, if you query, you will understand whether you are getting correct answer or not. Okay, next 2:6. Now it is starting with the 2. So where is the 2 here? 0, 1, 2. 2 means 33. Yeah, 33. I put a 2 to 6, right? So this is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6 onwards it won't display. It display up to here only. It display these strings. 2, 3, 4, 5 only. It won't display the sixth. Even if you tell 6 it is. So that is 1, 2, 2, and you are giving 4 colon. That's it. You didn't mention anything. It means 4 to last of the entire array. Like fourth one is 12. Okay, so this is the fourth one. So it is started 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fourth one to last. It will display all these things. Okay, so this is about your tuple. Tuple we cannot able to change the data or we can manipulate. So I am putting it to again big row, and I want to change it. I will try to change like last time I changed it, right. I want to change the first number only. 0, actually 0 means 12, right. So to 0 equal to 21. That is showing error. What is error? Type error. It is showing type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So this kind of stuff won't work here. That's it. Okay. Okay. Errors are important. Does not mean you should do always errors. Okay. Always correct. Do it, and if you got any error or if you try to do sometimes wrong, okay, do it correct first and do it wrongly. So then when you do wantedly doing some wrong, so that time error will generate it. So maximum try to do normally. Okay, correct. Okay, this is a tuple. One more is there, that is called set. Okay,